Good morning, my name is Lady. Today we are going to talk about daily routine. First, students will watch a video so that the teachers know their previous knowledge. This is the link. Then students will be explained what the daily routines consist. And they are given to know writing and pronunciation through images. This is images. After, students will be give sub-letter. In this, you must find the words that are shown in the following images, so that they know the vocabulary. For example, I get up, I take a shower, I get dressed, I make breakfast, I go to work, I start work at night. And others. In this part, they must take a test demonstrating what they have learned and select the correct answer. For example, which is a correct? I go out, I finish work, I get up. At the end, the correct answer will be displayed. The correct is get up. Another example. After, students must write down their daily routine and introduce into the teacher. Then, students will also carry out the activity of a link that will be sent to their virtual activities platform. This is the link for activity in the platform. This will end this then. Thank you.